The monster. This parasite. It's my brains. Let me get this. Brains. It's so good. So good. So good. I like this. And then somebody show up. Ew, bro is eating somebody's head. What, do you want some? No, thank you. Oh, right there. La. Ah! Oh, do you want me to take you? No, thank you, sir, no, sir. Oh, I'm a cricket, but I cannot eat you. Oh, that was terrified. Psych, I can eat you. Come here. Come here. No, I don't want to cook. Then the monster disappeared. Stop. Funny, the monster disappeared. Who disappeared? The monster. Do you see the monster? Yeah. Wait, are you the monster now? What do you mean? I'm not a monster. And then the song is there. Oh, he's becoming a monster. Let me grab you a sec because I don't like this. Bruh.
I play fish.
What is this? Yep. Oh crap. I'm grabbing too long. You let me grab you a sec, bro. She's so perfect, blah blah. Get out of my sight! No! Oh, that was great. I'm gonna throw up like that, bro. Please trust Wait, guys, the movie doesn't start yet, okay? Oh, oh crap, I got hurt. But, yeah, you got hurt. Why? It's because I'm Chainsaw Man? Nah, I'd win, not you. Ah! Stop! Thank goodness he's gone. Who say I'm gone? What the?
I play fish it.
Bro, I'm gonna do something, okay? You guys won't believe this, but Goku is gonna kill him. 3, 2, 1. Who's in? What are you doing? No! What the? Boy, psycho. You messed with the wrong person. You messed with the wrong person. You guys ready to see the fight? Let's start. They all have the power, the same power. They all...
A boy.
Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. My kid is here, okay? I'm sorry guys. By the way, he's coming back to normal. But currently he cannot do this. He needs to get a new Goku. Okay guys, sorry, my little brother is here. He's 2 years old and oh bro. Okay bro. Okay, done. Sorry guys. Let's start this fight. What the? Bro, what? Just. Okay. They are fighting. Bro, this Goku is. Okay, sorry guys. My brother really. Oh my gosh. Brother, what are you doing this, bro? Don't scream, okay, brother?
I play fish it.
Bro, what is wrong with my brother, bro? My brother is just a little kid, you know? But came again. Goku came back. Didn't. The end. Season 2 is gonna come, guys, but it's not really. Oh my gosh. Okay, the end. I will fight you, but not later. You psycho. The end. The end, guys.